Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install IRS Direct File settings for investment tax prep. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your computer and launch your internet browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the IRS Direct File website. Once the page loads, locate the download section. Click on the link to download the Direct File software. Follow the prompts to save the file to your computer. After the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded file to start the installation process. If prompted, allow the program to make changes to your device. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once installed, open the Direct File software. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Select your preferred language from the options provided. Review the terms and conditions, then check the agreement box. Proceed by clicking the Next button. Now, enter your personal information as required. Provide your name, social security number, and address. Next, input your investment details, including all relevant accounts. Make sure to input transaction dates and amounts accurately. On the next screen, you'll need to supply tax information for the current year. Ensure you have your previous year's tax return handy for reference. Follow the prompts to input any deductions or credits applicable. When you reach the summary screen, review all entered information carefully. If everything looks correct, proceed by clicking Submit. Wait for the confirmation message that your information has been successfully submitted. Close the software once you have the confirmation. Finally, remember to keep a copy of all submitted documents for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.